think about the fact that a car dealer can do something like this?
It's very frustrating.
Well, car dealerships are the #2 complaint for the state attorney general's office, only behind unwanted scam calls.
And now the attorney general is getting involved with a pattern that could affect you and your family.
Call 6 Investigates' Kara Kenny is here with a story you'll see only on RTV6.
A Crawfordsville man says a local car dealership still owes him a title. He's been waiting for more than a year.
It's a snowy day in Crawfordsville as Call 6 Investigates looks for Sean Kloss, vice president of Kloss Auto. The Attorney General's office says Sean Kloss and Kloss Auto failed to deliver titles to nearly 24 customers.
We got a little upset, angry.
Joel Endicott says he's still waiting on titles for 2 vehicles he bought from Kloss Auto in summer 2017.
If we wanted to sell them, trade them in, anything like that, without a title, we can't. We're stuck.
The AG's office also accuses Kloss of taking people's trade-ins but failing to pay off the loans, leaving some Hoosiers with 2 car loans. In August 2017, the Secretary of State's office suspended Kloss Auto's license following an audit of their records. In January 2018, the Attorney General filed a lawsuit against Kloss Auto, alleging the dealer was deceptive in his sales tactics. Just last month, Kloss reached an agreement with prosecutors to pay $62,000 in restitution to 5 consumers. The BMV must issue titles for 23 customers, including Joel Endicott. Kloss did not have to admit he deceived consumers.
So it's a significant sum of money for those consumers as well as those who didn't have titles, so they couldn't actually drive their vehicles lawfully on the road.
The Kloss Auto case shows why it's important for you to file a complaint if you feel you've been wronged by a business. The Attorney General's office does not handle the criminal side of things. Crawfordsville Police Detective Bob Rivers spent months investigating Kloss Auto.
I believe I interviewed at least 29 people.
He recommended criminal charges against Kloss.
I would like to see something happen because it really became evident to me that this guy was hurting a lot of people and just did not care.
The prosecutor tells us they're still reviewing the case. Affordable Auto Sales said they moved into this location in October 2017, right after Kloss Auto moved out. They say they still get consumers coming in looking for information about their vehicle and their money back. The new dealer wants to make it clear they have nothing to do with Kloss Auto. Sean Kloss never got back to us, but his attorney told us Kloss Auto has not sought bankruptcy protection or attempted to reject the obligations owed to the customers. Instead, Kloss Auto and its former operator have taken steps to make sure that all of the customers are provided the vehicle titles and the relief sought by the Attorney General. The restitution due to the remaining customers will be addressed as soon as funds become available. Joel Endicott is thankful the Attorney General's office got involved, but he's still waiting on his vehicle titles. Is this proof that the state can fight for the little guy?
Oh, absolutely. Absolutely.
So how can you protect yourself when you trade in a vehicle? Start by asking the dealer when the vehicle will get paid off. Then call the bank and make sure the payoff happened. Finally, make sure the bank is aware of your trade-in agreement. And if they are not, file a complaint with the Attorney General's office and the Secretary of State. To find out what's next for Kloss Auto or more on how to protect yourself, download the RTV6 app. Kara Kenny, RTV6.